Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Code 369. Our motto is to learn by doing. Okay, we will be having sample project. We will be writing code in order to complete that sample project. By completing that sample project, you will be learning very better at the end of this video. Okay. CSS outline. This is the topic that we are going to discuss today. And this is full stack development course class 35. From next slide, you will learn how to learn. Just pass this slide and you can read this, okay? The main thing which he says is ask questions whenever possible, okay? Whenever you see anything, just ask questions until you get cleared. That's what. In learning also, this is very important. Whatever you see, just ask question on it, and until getting that answer, you keep on asking questions. Einstein always say question, okay, always question. That's what Einstein says. Learning is an active process. We learn by doing. Only knowledge that is used sticks in your mind. Sorry. So learning is an active process. We learn by doing. Only knowledge that is used sticks in your mind. So whatever you learn, just use it. Okay, that's why we are doing project. Code along with me line by line. Just confirm whether you have understood it or not. Okay, after confirming that you have understood, just code along with me. Okay, every line. If you want to master something, teach it. So to whom you will be teaching, you can be asking. Even if you don't have any person to teach it to yourself. Just ask questions to yourself and try to answer them and explain them. Okay. Prerequisites: install the VS Code editor and its extensions, create folder and open it, create a HTML file. And to do all these things, I have given links in the description box. So this is what our sample project today is. The topic which we are going to discuss today is outline. So what is outline? Let us see in the CSS W3 Schools website. Okay, let us see in the W3 Schools website. What is CSS outline? Here you are having content. This is what you are going to type, and actually this is a box. Okay, outline. This is a box. Okay, this is a box, and we will write content in it. And the box will be having border, and outline is nothing but the area that surrounds the border. Okay, like a fence. Okay, like a fence. Border itself is a fence, but outline is something giving extra protection. That's what. Okay, here you are having content, and outside the content there is border, and outside the border there is outline. And here you can see outline the borders to make the element stand out. Okay, to make it stand out in the sense making it clearly visible. Okay, let us see the project itself. Now what we are going to do is create an outline. Okay, that's what we are going to do, and we will be including padding, border and margin, everything. Okay, the box size of the border, the box size will be border box. Okay, let us see it in detail. Now just copy this whole thing. Here we are having a new file create in order to create this project, and the file name is project4d.html. This .html is very important, and here you can see select language mode. Here you have to select HTML. This is also important. Now what you are going to do is construct the base structure of HTML by typing HTML:5 and press enter. Okay, this is called as basic structure of HTML, base structure of HTML. If you have to know about base structure of HTML, I have given link in the description box. Please check it. Now delete this is not necessary, and delete this is also not necessary. Now I am going to give title of my web page as project 4D. Okay, you can give any title name for the web page, but I am just giving the same name as my file name. Now I am going to give that first heading in my body element by giving h3 tag, h3 element, and paste this. Press Alt Z for text wrapping, and it has come to the next line. And our project is create an outline for a box. Okay, first of all we have to create a box. Okay, then only we can create outline, padding, border, margin, etc, etc. In order to create box, what we have to do? Create development. Okay, and in order to represent this development, what we have to do? Give class name. Okay, class equal to like outline, and we should be inserting some text. So this is outline 1. Okay, this is the text which will be displayed inside the box. Okay, so next thing is what we are going to do is we have to represent this class name, this development using the class name in the style tag. Okay, so first we have to create style element. Here only we are going to insert all the styles. Now we are going to represent that development using class name by dot outline with the class name. Okay, open the curly braces. Here you are going to create a box. I'm going to give height and width because box is nothing but a combination of height and width. Okay, so give 300 pixel, and here width of 300 pixel. And next what you're going to do is you're going to give border. Okay, box should be having border, so we are giving border using border shorthand. We have already discussed those things in the previous videos. Give border styles using border shorthand. Give border width of 5 pixel. Then what you're going to give is, and you should not end here, border style like dashed and border color. Okay, orange. Give semicolon. Border shorthand is nothing but giving border as the common name and giving border width. This is border width, this is border style, this is border color. Okay, like this we are giving 3 parameters in a single statement itself. Now what we are going to give is we are going to give what? Padding. Okay, padding is nothing but the space between the border and the text. Let us see here. Here padding is very small. I have given. It's okay, any value you can give. Just I am giving 20 pixel. We have already discussed the padding in the previous videos itself. Then give margin. Okay, margin is nothing but the space between the end of the page to the box. Okay, the end of the page to the box. We already know margin in the notebooks, right? That's it. Give margin value as 50 pixel. Okay, then now we are going to save this. Okay, save this and open this file in the web page. Our project is project 4D. Double click on it, and here you can see a box. Okay, box. This is outline 1, and here you can see padding, the space between the border and the text. This is called padding, and here you can see border, but we don't have outline. Okay, and we can see margin also, the space between the end of this web page and the box. Okay, so now we are going to give outline. So what is the value that we will be giving? And one more thing which you have to understand here is margin value we have given as 50 pixel. Okay, margin is 50 pixel, but if we give outline value as 60 pixel, what will happen? It will go outside of the web page, okay? And here also it will be going outside of this margin, okay? So one thing which you have to understand is the margin value and the outline value should be equal, or the outline value should be less than the margin, okay? So let us see, let us give the value and see. You will understand it very easily. Here you have to give outline color, outline width. First of all, give the same as 50 pixel for the outline, okay? Then give outline color. Outline color is aqua, okay? Press Ctrl S and go here and reload. Nothing happens. Why? Press Ctrl S. Press Ctrl R. Why not? And one more thing here is very important is you have to give this box as border box, okay? So why do we have to give border box? Because this height 300 pixel and 300 pixel width will be allocated only to the content itself, okay? Like you can see here, right click, inspect. We have seen border box and content box in the previous video itself, but let me show you again. Here you can see 300 pixel and 300 pixel for content itself, okay? And for padding 20 pixel and for border 5 pixel, like that it is going on allocated. But what we should have is, we should be having 300 into 300 pixel for box alone, okay? So give border box here. Box sizing as border box. Press Ctrl S and go here and reload. And we are missing something, okay? We are missing something. The thing which we are missing here is for border we have given border width, okay? Like that for outline also we have given outline width. But for border we have given border style, okay? But here we have not given outline style, so that is the missing thing here. So give outline style. You can see a lot of things here. Just give as dotted or double or something, anything you can give. Solid you give, okay? That's it. That will look good. Now press Ctrl S. Go here and reload. Now you can see the outline. So what will happen if I delete this box sizing? Delete this, press Ctrl S, go here and reload. Nothing will happen, okay? So you don't have to worry about that. Even if it is not border boxing, nothing will be affected for outline, okay? So next thing which you are going to do is, here you can see the outline from margin to this box border, okay? To this box border, the blue color, from the end of the screen to this blue line. You can see outline is only half, okay? Outline is only half. So what does it mean? From this end to this blue line is called as margin, and this outline is half of the margin, okay? The outline is half of the margin. So how to do that? Just copy this whole thing, heading here, copy and paste here, H3, paste here, okay? Sorry. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to create another development in order to create another box. Just copy this, paste here, but only thing which you are going to change is the class name, because we should not give the same class name. I'm going to give text as outline 2. Okay, I'm going to copy this also the same. Okay, because nothing because not much will be changed. Okay, only a few things will be changed. Copy this and paste here. I'm going to give outline 1 because we have changed the class name for the second development. So I'm going to give outline width as 25 pixel. Okay, that is half of the margin. Here you can see margin as 50 pixel and outline width as 25 pixel. So that is what we are going to do now. Press Ctrl S, go back, reload. Now you can see this outline is half of the margin. Okay, that is what you have to know. So let us check one more thing. First itself we told the outline width should not exceed the margin. So what will happen if we change the value to more than margin? Let's say margin is 50 pixel. I am giving outline width as 60 pixel. Press Ctrl S, go back, reload. You can see the outline has exceeded the margin. So it affects the previous lines also. Okay, the previous text also. So if I give 50 pixel, the equal to margin, nothing will happen. Press Ctrl S, press Ctrl R. Okay, it does not affect. So here for outline 2, what we have done is half of the margin. Okay, give 25 pixel, press Ctrl S, go back, reload. This is what we wanted to do. Now you have understood this concept, right? Now let us do one more thing here. Okay, here we are having some text and the borderline is there like blue color, and this aqua color is aqua. Okay, like sky blue. This is called as outline, the same color as here. Okay, this is called as outline, but only thing which is changed here is from border to outline there is a gap. Okay, this outline has gone, this outline is separated from this border, but here you can see this outline is not separated from the border, but here you can see this outline has separated from the border. So that is called as offset. Okay, giving a distance between them, that is called as offset. Okay, how to do that? Copy these and give heading here, h3, paste. Now what I am going to do is I am going to create a development, because we are going to insert the same properties, only a few things will be changed. Okay, so I am going to change the class name as outline 2 in order to represent this development, and I am just copying these two lines, Alt Shift down arrow, and giving class name as outline 2. And what we are going to do is here what we are going to do is something we are going to change. Okay, so what we are going to insert here is outline offset. We have already seen what is outline offset. Outline offset is nothing but outline is offsetted from the border. Okay, outline has become far away. Okay, outline is placed far away from the border, that's called offset. Now how to give outline offset? Just go here and type here outline offset. Here you can see, enter, and we have to give a value here. Okay, so how to give value? If I have outline width as 25 pixel, okay, if I have outline width as 25 pixel and I am giving outline offset as 25 pixel, okay, you can see outline width as 25 pixel and outline offset as 25 pixel. So what will become? What will happen? The outline offset is 25 pixel here and the outline width will be 25 pixel. So it will be having 50 pixel distance. Okay, and it should not exceed the margin. Okay, that's very important. Here we have only 50 pixel of margin, So the sum of outline width and the outline offset should be less than or equal to margin, and it should not exceed the margin. Okay, press Ctrl S and go back. Project 4D, press Ctrl R. Now you can see this. Okay, this is called as outline offset, and we have learned how to do outline here. Okay, how to do outline and outline offset. That's it, my friends. Let us see in the upcoming videos. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching my videos. Let us see in the upcoming videos. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you.